Did you know that a woodpecker strikes its head against a tree thousands of times without any damage? But how? When it hits the tree, its entire brain shakes and experiences a force up to 1,400 times gravity. But don't worry, its small brain reduces pressure, and its hyoid bones act like a seatbelt wrapping around the entire skull. Additionally, there is a spongy layer inside the skull that absorbs shocks and protects the brain. This allows the woodpecker to drill into trees and eat insects with ease. Imagine if humans had this kind of protection. Did you know this fact?